Have you ever launched a campaign that looked perfect on paper but somehow didn't deliver? Chances are it wasn't your strategy, it was your audience. Because in mobile marketing, your audience is everything. And that's exactly where Apptrove's audience segmentation changes the game. Hey guys, welcome to Apptrove's official YouTube channel. Today, we are talking about audience segmentation. So, what is audience segmentation? It's the process of dividing your app users into smaller, meaningful groups based on how they interact with your app. Not just who they are, but what they do, when they do it, and why. At Apptrove, segmentation goes beyond basic demographics. We help you create context driven segments based on actions like how often users open your app, what products they browse, how long they stay active, or even when time of the day they are most engaged. This means you are not just sending a campaign, you are sending the right message to the right people at the right moment. Let's take an example. Imagine you own a food delivery app. Now, instead of targeting all users with the same kind of ad like get 20% off, Apptrove helps you create smarter segments. For instance, users who browse late at night get a midnight craving push notification. Loyal users who order every weekend get a weekend combo deal offer. And first time users, they get a gentle nudge. Your first order deserves something special. That's how you turn generic promotions into personalized experiences. Now, how does Apptrove make this possible? Our audience segmentation engine uses real time in app behavior data to automatically group users. It tracks their interactions, sessions, clicks, purchase, retention windows, and continuously updates these groups. This means your segments are never static. They evolve as your users do. And here's the best part. You can directly connect these segments to your ad network's analytics platform or push campaign tools with just a few clicks. No manual data sorting, no complex setup, just actionable insights. Let's look at a few real-world use cases where audience segmentation makes a measurable impact. Use case 1. Re-engagement campaigns. When users stop using your app, Apptrove identifies them. You can create a dormant user segment and send personalized comeback offers through your ad network or email campaigns. Use case 2. Upselling loyal users. If your fintech app notices users regularly paying bills but never trying investments, Apptrove helps you build a segment of financially active but non-investors, perfect for upselling investment products. Use case 3. Seasonal campaigns. During holidays, Apptrove segments users who interact more during sales events, so you can retarget them with festive or limited edition deals. Every segment tells a story, and those stories drive results. When campaigns are personalized, engagement rates shoot up, push open rates, ad click-throughs, and even in-app conversions. Brands using Apptrove segmentation tools have reported up to 30% better engagement and 20% lower churn within just a few campaign cycles. Because personalization isn't just a strategy, it's a superpower. At Apptrove, we don't believe in one size fits all marketing. We believe in data driven storytelling powered by precision. Our audience segmentation tools give you the insights, flexibility, and control to build campaigns that truly connect. So, the next time you plan a campaign, ask yourself, are you targeting an audience or are you connecting with individuals? Because with Apptrove, you can do both. Explore more at apptrove.com and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on mobile marketing and app growth. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.